Well, I went to go get my hair cut, and when I was through, I came outside and I thought, oh my gosh, this weather is so nice. The thought of going home, sitting in an empty, hot house, just didn't appeal to me. So I decided to go for a walk. And of course I have to film everything. I've never been here before. Wow, this is one of those long trails. Just want to kind of walk around. Got some teeny little, like monarch looking butterflies here. Nice long trail, parallel to I-40. Just see what's up ahead here. Just love these little flowers. Pretty nice. You can go on a little nature walk right next to a freeway. Just kind of a thin area, narrow. Not really prepared to be walking out in the sun. No hat on, no sunscreen. Just a spur of the moment type of thing. Not even wearing proper shoes or socks. Can you hear those katydids? Or whatever they are? I think they're katydids. Got a nice little park here. Take a quick stroll around here. Find some shady spots. A little warm. I've actually been to this park before, so this is not a new one. It's kind of refreshing while we're on a walk. Now, I believe this whole neighborhood up here is called Ladera. That's a pretty nice little neighborhood on the west side. Pretty nice little park. Love little neighborhood parks. I'm going to walk up the block here just a little bit from the park. I think there's a very long tree-lined road, which I think looks pretty cool. I've driven down it, but I've never gotten out and walked around it. They kind of fascinate me because there's not a whole lot of them here. Nice shady road. Someone's getting ready for Halloween. Very cute. And we've got this house across the street. Looks like it had a bad fire, unfortunately. Yeah, I love this. I love these big trees just right down the middle of the road. Goes all the way to, I believe it's Ladera Street. Very nice. A little bit of a breeze. Perfect weather. Fall is my absolute favorite. I do like spring, but I have a lot of allergies that really kick up about then. Worse than normal. Okay, back in the park. We're going to take the sidewalk around the back here. hear you, but I don't see you. Oh, there you are. It's a woodpecker. Let's see if I can scoot in. I can't see. The sun is right in my eyes. Where are you? There he is. He's going to town on that tree there. Trying to drill a hole in there. It's a ladderback woodpecker. I believe these are called butterfly bushes. The beautiful purple flower. This is pretty nice. Neighbors can come right off their street there, walk in here, go right to a bench and a picnic table. Pretty cool. I parked in a pretty precarious place, as I like to say, because I wanted to find another part of this trail. This goes all the way up to Unser, then curves all the way to Ladera. But I found a wolf, sculpture of one at least. Take a quick stroll down this way. I keep seeing squirrels, but they are too fast for me. They must be camera shy. Where'd you go? Yeah, they put a bunch of rocks up there on the wall. I'm assuming that's to keep people from jumping over or walking on the wall. I'm just going to walk around this curve here. Little ways, and that's enough for today. Big old bumblebee. It's an interesting plant right there. Look at the little spikes on that thing. I don't know what that is, a hollyhock or something? Pretty wild. Another fascinating plant here. I wish I knew what they were, but I'm too lazy. And some of these plants look like weeds, but they are not. They all help keeping the erosion down. We've got a teeny little peach flower there. Well, what a nice little mid-afternoon walk out in this beautiful sunny fall weather here in Albuquerque. It's a great excuse to get out of the house, or stay out of the house in this case, and just look at the scenery. get some exercise and some sun. And while I can, I'll keep doing just that. Got to enjoy your days. So thank you so much for coming along. I hope you enjoyed it. And we'll see you soon. Hopefully, we'll see you very soon. Take care and bye for now. Uh-oh. We're a dog. Where's the dog? Where are you? I don't see no dog. Interesting little gate entrance here. Well, I'm gonna head home and drink a lot of water, I think. The gal that cut my hair was talking about taking cold medicine and sniffling all over me, so hopefully that's all I need right now is to catch a cold or something. I've been working hard, just vlogging like crazy. And I gotta keep going. Keep moving on.